Is Microsoft Office pathing failed due to the Interop Visual Basic Integrated Development Environment DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. Access the official Interop Visual Basic Integrated Development Environment Diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the Interop Visual Basic Integrated Development Environment, the Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications VBA IDE Interoperability Library. It allows C or Java applications to communicate with the VBA editor in Office apps. If missing, macro-enabled spreadsheets or accounting tools will report a compile error in hidden module, preventing any automated data entry. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Since this involves a protected library, we should use the standard Windows repair protocol, execute sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to detect registry inconsistencies and repair files like Interop Visual Basic Integrated Development Environment DLL. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Interop Visual Basic Integrated Development Environment file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Avoid the trap of unofficial file repositories for Interop Visual Basic Integrated Development Environment DLL, as these platforms are frequently utilized to distribute persistent browser hijackers and unwanted adware. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If library conflicts or resource allocation issues are present, the link below provides general information on managing Interop Visual Basic Integrated Development Environment dependencies. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Interop Visual Basic Integrated Development Environment. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.